They teach you about Julius Caesar and the Roman Empire's power, but they won't tell you about the Black Queen who made Rome beg for peace.
Okay, come on now, Black Queen.
Meet Queen Amanirenas, the warrior queen of Kush. When the Romans tried to invade her kingdom in Nubia, she didn't just fight back. She crushed them.
Let's go!
Rome thought they could conquer Kush easily, but Amanirenas led her army into battle, destroyed Roman settlements, and even took out their governor.
What?
She lost an eye in battle but kept fighting. She was so powerful that Rome, the so-called greatest empire, was forced to sign a peace treaty with her.
Say that!
That's right. Rome had to back down.
Yeah!
They don't teach this in history class because it proves that Africa wasn't weak. It was powerful. Queen Amanirenas is proof. Reclaim Black history. Share this story. Follow for more hidden Black history. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting so that we can make more unique videos for you.